Hello everyone, today we are introducing an upgraded Ford to-tow golf cart. It has a wheelbase of 2480mm, track width of 951,020mm, ground clearance of 175mm, product dimensions of 3,713 40 and 2060mm, load of 600kg, and a total weight of 800kg. The seat is molded plastic, and the pedals are also molded. Motor 48V kWh AC controller, KDS charger, Planston, max speed 2440 km/h, climbing capacity 30%, range 80 km, charging 810 per hours, minimum turning radius less than 4.5 meter, braking distance 6 meter, pedal force less than 350 Newton, aluminum frame, aluminum rear axle with reduction gear, speed ratio 12:31. Front suspension McPherson independent, rear suspension trailing arm with springs and shock absorbers, wheels 2310.014, rims made of aluminum.